start this video, I just want to say, if you want to move around, you use the middle mouse button, hold and drag around. To select something, you use left click. To get that menu, you use right click. And if you hold shift and the mouse button, you can glide like I do in the video. I'm gonna talk about this future in the video, but right now I need to say it on the start of the video because I forgot. Hello guys! And today we are gonna do some Blender because I like Blender and that's why. And because all my other videos actually have been bad quality, this one should be better quality. So yeah, I'm super excited now because I'm actually doing some other things in the meantime. So we are gonna make a milk farting or whatever Norwegian thing. I don't know if it is in USA, UK. So picture on the screen now. Nice. So what we first thing do is I often use the scale and control for scale like this. Now when I use control, you can see I'm using control when I do this, and I have done this. Now it's up. Now it's a cube like this, but we actually want it to be like this, so now it's good. So we can do this, right? And if we go on the camera should maybe be the camera we don't need actually. The camera is just if you want to animate or something, the camera is important because we don't want to do that. All right, and now we are gonna start in the edit mode. The edit mode is where you edit it like this. If I use the number, you can edit like this. Here is where you most likely is gonna be in this, not in the other ones. That's not we're not gonna cover that today, but in edit and object mode is where we're most likely gonna be. Here up where my mouse is, you can change by selecting like this, selecting the lines or selecting the corners like I already have shown you. I'm gonna select the lines because I'm making milk. Isn't that obvious? I'm gonna do that. And then we have many things on this side. The thing I often use myself is E. You can click E to automatically get it. If you E, you automatically have it like this. But I like clicking the button. If we hold control, meanwhile doing this, and there we go. And now we have it like this. Select the other side, do control, this. And now I'm gonna move it, control here. And I'm gonna move it to them almost touches, but now we are not, because now it happens. We're gonna select this, click shift and select the other ones and click F to fill it in. If we hold shift and hold down the mouse button and move it, this happens. You can also achieve this by clicking this button. If we scroll, we can move around with the middle mouse button. And I should say that we can select with this button, and yeah, simply. Anyway, what we are now gonna do, we are gonna select the flat part to have it. But no, I forgot something. We need to fill this also up. Now we are filling out this. F. If you have any bugs, sorry, I can't help you. I don't know what bugs you even have. But if we use now the same E tool and control to do it like here, we have the base of the milk. Then we're gonna add another thing. It's Shift A to add something. Shift A, Shift A, and we are gonna add a cylinder. Move this cylinder, rotate the cylinder like this. Move the cylinder and move it. And now we're gonna go in object mode. This is not gonna be a part of the object. We don't want that. So we're going in object mode, Shift A, and then we are adding a mesh and the cylinder. Then we are going to go up here with there, and then we go here. Then we rotate it like this. Then we go down, slightly down and down. Now we have a pretty nice milk, and this is gonna have a different color. So we are going to think it was material, new material. Now we give this new material a new color. It's gonna be white. Simply white. And now we're going in here to see the color. Right now everything is white, like you can see. But now we select the other one and give a new material to that new one and give that a new material. And this material is gonna be blue. Why isn't it showing? Why? Wait, what? Alright. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. That was everything to do cold motion stuff. I don't know how to do that. Sorry. But for everything else, nice. Now we're done.